Hey y'all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to TI Solutions. As a Zoho partner, we also provide a complimentary 30-minute consultation on Zoho Zakya support where we help you set up and streamline your retail operations. In today's video, we will guide you step by step on how to install the Zoho Zakya Billing application on your Windows operating system. Zakya is a modern retail billing software from Zoho designed to simplify your point of sale, inventory, and billing process. Let's get started. So, to download, as this is the backend of Zakya, go to Sales Channel and there you can see the option to download from the Microsoft Store. You can download the Zoho Zakya billing application from there. Once the installer is downloaded, go to your download folder and double click on it to set up the file. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click yes to initiate the downloads. Once installed, you will see the Zakya billing application icon on your desktop. Double click to open the app. Log in with your credentials. And that's it. This is how to open business application in your software. Hope you understood how to download the business POS application of Zoho Zakya. See you in the next video. Thank you.